If you are searching for a cheap VPS or an instance where you can deploy your production code or application or project, then you can consider unihost. Unihost is a platform where it provides cloud VPS, dedicated servers, storage servers, and much more. Here, you can look into their cloud VPS option. Their cloud VPS starts from €5 and it is available on multiple locations. Only there might be some pricing difference, but they provide 4-core AMD EPYC processor, 6 GB RAM, and 100 GB of SSD storage, as well as 10 Gbps 30 TB bandwidth limit. If you compare with the other popular cloud providers, then you will find that the price is very low compared to others, and you can pick any of them according to your need. This VPS will be enough for deploying Docker applications, deploying your personal web servers, web projects, databases, and much more you can do. And it has 30 TB of bandwidth limit. Like if you're creating some kind of storage server or VPN server that requires a lot of bandwidth, you can also do that. They also have dedicated servers. If you need dedicated servers, then you can grab one of them. In Unihost, you can just choose any servers from any of this location. And here you can also choose any of the payment method that you wish, like use PayPal, credit card, crypto, or bank transfer. Now here you don't get per hour pricing or billing. Here you need to commit for either 1 month or quarterly or annually, biannually, triannually, like this. So it's better to first try for 1 month, and if you feel that it's good, then you can continue to use it further. Now, purchasing the VPS is very simple. You need to just make the choice of the specific VPS you want. Just click, select, and add to your cart. Just select the billing cycle. For this, I'm choosing monthly. And in data center, you can just pick any of the data center, but location cannot be changed. And if you need extra disk, then you can just pick it from here. Control panel, if you need a control panel or you are more comfortable in using control panel, then you can choose any of the option. And next, here you need to choose the server purpose, like for what reason you are going to be using this purpose. For this, I'm going to be using software development, so I'm just selecting software development and just check this warning tick box. Like you're just confirming that you are not going to be using this server for spam and copyright or botnet or DDoS attacks. And then you need to simply click on continue and click on checkout. If you already have an existing account, then you can log in with that account. If you don't have, you just need to fill up your name, email address, phone number, and your country, location, address. Then just create a new password and create your new account. Here you get several payment methods starting from Stripe to Google Pay to PayPal. And cryptocurrency is also possible. You can choose any of the payment option that you want. Just click on I agree and complete your order. After your order is completed, you will be getting the order receipt as well as the VPS login credentials. Like here, you are going to be getting the IP address as well as the username and the password. Just open your command prompt and paste the SSH, root, and server IP. Click on yes, enter the password provided, and now you are connected with the Unihost VPS. Now with this VPS, you can do anything what you want, like install Docker, install databases, install web servers. You can also make it as a storage server or a VPN server. If you want, you can just install speed test CLI and check the speed of this VPS machine. Like here, I'm getting like 1 Gbps of speed, upload and download. So net speed is very good. As promised, here we are also getting 100 GB of SSD storage. And if we check htop, Here we are getting 4 CPU and almost like 6 GB of RAM. So this is how we can simply get an instance from unihost and log in to that instance using SSH.